Okay, so today I continued watching the course on deep learning and tried to do a bit of problem programming. Didn't dig into it much. So first of all, uh, I finished watching the lecture on ConvNets. I did like twice the speed. It wasn't that much new. Here, I like the part where he talks about the data type, how data can be organized in different ways and ways that can be used for contents. And I like that part with all this math notation is I want to be able to handle it in deep learning papers. So I really like that they did that, and I like the properties of the data that we use with ConvNets: stationarity, locality, compositionality. That's really nice, and I really like the way he illustrates it with examples. Here, here in the notebook, he trains two models that have the same number of parameters, but one is a fully connected network, and the other is a convnet. You can see the number of parameters here, and here. First, he trains it on classical MNIST, right? And the convnet gets better accuracy, as we would expect. Then, here, see, he applies a deterministic permutation to the data, and we end up with this kind of thing. And he trains the models again on this kind of data. And what we get is that the convnet, which works best with data that has certain properties, as locality, when we get one pixel in this image, we can tell that the next pixel has a high probability of being the same. We can detect edges and all that kind of stuff. When in this, we don't get nothing. So yeah, and the results are tell us the same thing, the CNN got way worse, and in fact, it's worse than a fully connected network when we have permuted scrambled data. I really like that. And then I try, and I did that before actually getting to the course. I tried doing some leetcode. I opened one problem. You can see it here. Reduce array size to the half. We're given integers, and we need to find like integer types. Like we have to remove the size of at least half. And I wrote, I coded a simple solution. It works okay. In fact, I think I got, the percentiles are pretty okay. Didn't do much interesting here. You go through the array in linear space, the dictionary, and then you sort with built-in sourcing in Python, and then you just pop the ones that you get. And I realized, and it has that information here, related topics, heap priority queue. And yeah, I think that is the thing that I'm supposed to use for it. And I thought about it, and I had it in the course. I had heaps, but I don't really remember how to code it right now. One other useful thing I did today is I found a person who tried to get the same internship as me, and they said that it's you have to answer a lot of ML related questions, and you also have to do algorithms. But in fact, you will be okay if you solve the problems that they have on LeetCode. linked to this GitHub where you basically have the problems that are asked most often, most frequently in this company. And yeah, other than that, didn't do much. Bye.